Sumi ink for Arabic calligraphy. Is it worth it? Pros and cons, tips and tricks. Let's start with the good stuff. Sumi ink offers an incredible depth of black that you just can't get with other inks. It has a beautiful matte finish, and it's incredibly versatile. You can use it on a variety of surfaces, from traditional rice paper to modern canvases. Plus, it's archival quality, meaning your artwork will last for generations. Sumi ink, also known as India ink in the West, has a rich history in East Asian art. Made from soot and a binding agent, it produces a deep, matte black that's prized for its permanence and unique texture. But how does it perform in different calligraphy styles?
Now, for the downsides. Sumi ink can be a bit tricky to master. It requires careful control of water and ink ratios to achieve the desired consistency. And if you're using traditional ink sticks, there's a learning curve to grinding the ink. Plus, it can be more expensive than other inks.
Is Sumi ink worth it for beginners? It depends. If you're serious about calligraphy and want to explore the unique qualities of Sumi ink, then absolutely give it a try. But if you're just starting out, there are more affordable options that might be a better fit. However, don't be afraid to experiment.
Sumi ink isn't just for calligraphy. It's a fantastic medium for a variety of art techniques. You can create beautiful washes, expressive backgrounds, and even abstract art. The possibilities are endless. Here are a few tips to get the most out of your Sumi ink. Experiment with different brush types to achieve different line variations. Use varying amounts of water to create subtle gradations in your strokes. And don't be afraid to add flourishes and details to your calligraphy. Sumi ink is a truly special medium with a rich history and endless creative potential. Whether you're a seasoned calligrapher or just starting out, I encourage you to give it a try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more art tips and tutorials, and share your Sumi ink creations with me in the comments. Happy creating!